We are at Monarch Aqua, a luxury residential project by Monarch Property. Welcome to VIZTOWN, a visual aid that is helping developers in their pre-sale activities. And this is the kiosk version of VIZTOWN. A digital catalog which will enable him to utilize lot many features. The kiosk comes with an embedded software which enables the sales team to access 3 different modules. The first one is the information and the maps. Description of the property, the size of the property, what are their offerings, the amenities in the building. You can add and delete anything from here at any time. The developer can fill in the details about the property and pin the geographical location of the property, followed by which the second module is the actual site images. Actual site images. The property is under construction. We can showcase the property right at the sales lounge. And the second one is the video tour. This is nothing but a Matterport shoot that has been done. Matterport is a 360-degree view. A client can walk in at a bare shelf space. You can navigate through the entire space. A mix and match of the entire catalog can be utilized by the sales team. The conventional way of sharing the property details with the end clients is via PowerPoint presentations and raw images. With the support of technology, we have helped this team in transforming their way of presentation from static format to dynamic and interactive formats. VIZTOWN has allowed this developer to host all their property on a highly secure platform. The platform consists of all the metadata of all their properties, actual site images, 2-dimensional furniture layouts, photorealistic renders, and gamified version of the futuristic office spaces. Apart from these features, the portal also allows the teams in generating reports as well as lease or sales agreements at a click of a button.